Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart putting together outfits, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. So for the first look, I'm going with the free assembly sleeveless dress. These have that higher neckline. It's a nice kind of stretch ponny material. It's more of a relaxed fit. I did size down. It's still nice and like a comfortable fit with the keyhole in the back. Comes in the fuchsia and orange color block. Also the black and white. I'm going to do with the black and white. And these are $22. For a bag, I'm going with this beaded crochet net from No Boundaries. So this one has the beaded handle. It's completely crochet, the fringe bottom. And that's what it looks like on the inside. These come in a bunch of different colors. They're $19.98. Also going to belt it with this double ring belt from Time and True. So these come in like small, medium. There's large, 1X, 2X, and 3X. But if you want to wear it a little bit higher, like I'm going to style it, there is a little hole maker on Amazon that I bought, and I do it to all my belts so I can wear it as high or low as I want. These are $10. For jewelry, I'm going with these earrings from Time and True. They're $6.92. They also have another similar style. A new pair of sunglasses from Foster & Grant. This kind of like a cat eye round combo. They're $14.97. I'm going to do more of a casual shoe. So these are from Time and True. They have that rounded toe. It's a slide, very like similar to like a Bait Hermes dupe. They come in this black. There's also brown. And then I also saw online they have a couple other new colors. These are $10.98. That's the finished look. With this halter neck style top from Time and True. It has that drawstring. It's a flowy kind of relaxed fit with the tie in the back. Also has that seam detailing. Comes in the chambray. There's also that black denim. There's two floral options. It's beige and pink, and then the white and blue. And I think I'm going to go with this one. And they're $15.98. I think I started off last week's video with the same top, only I did the chambray option. So you guys know I really do like it. But I'm going to pair that top with this smock skirt. It has that thicker waistband. It's a pop-up material through the front and the back. This one's from Free Assembly. It's $22. They also have the matching top to this if you want to do just like an all-white look. And this also comes in that plaid color. There's not too many like colored bag options, so I'm going to go with this one from Madden NYC. I've shared this one before. It comes in a few other colors. They're $20. And I'm also going to go with this hat from Time and True. I'm pretty sure they have these on sale online. Comes in the white, the straw color, and the black. There's also stripe options, that black and white, and then the brown and white. For sunglasses, I'm going with these from Foster Grant. This is the men's line, but I really like the silver on these. They're going to be $11.97. For jewelry, I'm going to go with the set I'm wearing today. So these are from Believe by Brilliance. Earrings with the necklace for $15.94. I've worn these so many times. They still look like new. For shoes, I'm going to go with these slingback sandals from Sam & Lubby. They have that square toe, the flower detail. They're $25. Here's the finished look. This next look, I'm going with the twist front romper from BCBG. So that's what it looks like. It goes around the neck. Has that seam detailing at the waist. It's a nice length. That's what the material looks like up close. So perfect for all your events. And then it zips up the back. I feel like you could really dress these up or down. They're $28 in the black. Also comes in that really pretty floral print. There's a few different belt options that I really love. This chain one from No Boundaries is $10. And then I also really like this one from Time and True. But I think I'm going to go with the chain. I think this bag in the clear, they don't have it. It's the black with the clear bottom would have went perfectly. Those are $22, but since they don't have that one, I'm going to do The clutch from Time and True. So you can wear this one crossbody, or you can tuck that strap in and just wear it as a clutch. They're $19.98. Comes in black, ivory, pink, and lavender. Earrings, I like these little drops from Believe by Brilliance. It's silver plated cubic zirconia, and they're $15.94. More of a dressy look, I'm going with these little wrap open-toed heels from Allegra K. I'm pretty sure these are online only. Finish look. So I'm starting off with the linen blazer from Scoop. It has that smaller collar, lapel, relaxed through the wrist. There's 2 flat pockets. It's completely lined. Seam detailing in the back. They also have the matching pants, but today I'm just going to go with the blazer. And for top, I'm going with the bodysuit from Madden NYC. So this one has that higher neckline. It's sleeveless, fitted through the body, thong style back with the seam detailing. These are true to size. I got my regular size medium. In the white, also comes in the black, and they're only $12. I go with the denim shorts from Time and True. So these are a 4-inch inseam. There's some light whiskering, the rolled up bottom. There's no distressing. They're $14.98. And then for a belt, I'm going with the tan one from Time and True. So this is genuine leather. They're $14. It has the gold hardware. Necklace from Time and True. So this one is a 36 with a 3-inch extender, so you can double layer it. It has all that little circle weave detailing. They're $5.88. You know, I love this shoulder bag from Time and True. So it has the adjustable shoulder strap. It's like that crescent style hobo bag in the beige. Also comes in blue and black. They're $26.98. For shoes, I'm going to go with these medallion sandals. That's what it looks like under the paper. These are from Salmon Levy. They have that sling back, square toe. These are on sale online. I think they're like $16, regularly $25. The finished look. Looks like I'm going with this eyelet top from Time and True. So this one is the crew neckline. The eyelet is at the top with the drop, a little bit of a flutter sleeve. The rest of the body is t-shirt material, and then it's the same in the back. It comes in the coral, also in the white. I'm gonna grab the white. And I'm going to pair it with the Lee Skirt. So this one has the elastic around the sides, also has a button with the zip, pork chop style pockets. It does have the built-in bike shorts with the mesh. And then 2 pockets on the back. It comes in the olive. There's also purple, the blue and white stripe. There's solid black, coral. And then they also have denim options and that true khaki. And they're $22.98. For jewelry, I'm going to go with this. It's like 3 necklaces. And it doesn't look like they're connected. So you get 3 for $3.88. And I like these gold studs with the crystals. They also come with a pearl. So you get the 2 sets for $3.88. For belts, I'm going with this embroidered floral style. It has these little grommets, a gold kind of or rectangle kind of octagon shape. These are going to be $12. And then for the bag, I'm going with this newer style. So this is that saddle bag with the braided detail. It has the zipper, top, snap closure with that kind of canvas strap. It comes in the brown. There's black, ivory, and blue. I kind of like the ivory too. I think I'm going to do this brown color. And those are from Scoop. How pretty are they? And they have the rhinestone detailing to round toe with the sling back and that buckle. That's the finished look. So I'm going with this 2-piece set from No Boundaries. So I shared this one in my last haul. They're so nice for the price. The top has that flutter sleeve, the ring detail. It's a shorter fit. The skirt has all that same kind of ring detail. It looks like a wrap. And then this smaller, shorter skirt inside, and then it's longer in the back. The 2 pieces are $16.98. And you do the pink. This looks, I'm also going with these hoops from Time and True. It has like that straw wrapped ball. These are pretty lightweight. They're $6.92. They also come in this green color. So this one's from Time and Tru. It's $6.92. It's all those like different shades of pink, some purple. They also have a green style. I'm going to do this hat from Time and Tru. This is the fedora style. It's still $9. So they have this white style, also the brown. And then also for $8.97 they have these round hats. In the brown there's some stripe options. The black I've showed them before. And then for the bag I'm going with this top handle like jelly bag from No Boundaries. These are $16.98. In the white they also have it in pink. And for shoes, I'm going with these lace-up style from Scoop. They have that square toe and then they're chunky heeled. They also have them in the pink. So I was going to do the pink, but I think the white would look better with the white accessories. Here's the finished look. For the next look, I'm going with this crochet top from Celebrity Pink. So this one is a little on the cropped end, but we're going to do a higher pant. It has that flutter sleeve with the elastic squared neckline. It is sheer under the bust, flowy. They are $14.50. It looks like it's on sale in store. In the white, also comes in the blue. They also have a matching skirt for this. It's also $14.50. For pants, I'm going with this linen blend pant from Time and Tru. It has that elastic waistband side pocket straight through the leg, and then there is pockets on the back. It comes in the black and white stripe, also that kind of like a light grayish black and white stripe. $19.98. How pretty is this ring set from Believe in Brilliant? So it has the opal and then two other like bands. One has the rhinestone, one has that rope detail. It's $14.97. Front of these sunglasses, so they're completely clear. They're from Foster & Grant Premium. I think these are a little more pricey, but I think the lenses are polarized. I love this set of hoops from Time and Tru. So you get a rose gold, a silver, and a gold, all with the crystals, $5.88. They're really nice size. They're not too big or small. How cute is this quilted bag? So I don't know the brand. I'll scan the tag. It'll be linked down below. But it has this tie closure. It's completely quilted. And then for shoes, I'm going with these braided chunky heels from Time and Tru. So they have that square toe, the two braided straps. I have these in the ivory. They're so comfortable. They're $22.98. And that's the finished look. Next look, I'm going with this little scallop trim smock top from No Boundaries. These are super affordable. It has the thin adjustable straps, squared in the back. They're only $11.98. It comes in this floral, also the blue with the eyelet and the black with the eyelet. I'm going to go with the floral. And then for bottoms, I'm going with the white linen pants. These are from Scoop. They match back to the blazer that I styled earlier. So that's what the material looks like up close. To linen and rayon blend. It's a little more linen. Has that seam detail. It's a little flared at the bottom. Trouser style pockets in the back. They are $36. They also come in the orange and pink butterfly print. And I love this hat with the white trim. I picked these up. These are on clearance online. They're like $9. They also have a few different color options. So they have white, I think, with the green trim, and then black with the white. For a bag, I'm going with this braided style from Time and Tru. I'm pretty sure these are on sale online. Regularly $24.98. You have that woven strap and then also the longer strap. For shoes, I'm going with these crisscross chunky heels. So they have that square toe in this brown color. That's the finished look. I think you could also pair this top with white denim, blue denims, and it looks so good. At first, I really wanted to do black, but I couldn't find black bottoms that I liked. The next look, I'm going with this belted dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that higher neckline. It's gathered, sleeveless, flowy fit. It also comes with this belt to bring it in. It's a nice length. It zips up the back in the blue. Also comes in that multicolored floral. They are $28. guys know I love these drop pearls. They're $3.88 from Time and Tru. We also have these pearls. So you get the 2 sets for $3.88. We have this one pearl bracelet with the cross. It's $14.94. How pretty is the cross? And then it also says believe. Then for sunglasses, I'm going with the Sun Essentials. I'm pretty sure this is the cheapest line. They're under $9. They have that little bit of gold with the tortoise. And then I'm going with this shoulder bag from Time and Tru. There's so many different compartments on here. You get the 2 side pouches, the top zipper, that side compartment. Comes in the brown. There's also black. And these are going to be $22.98. Shoes, I'm going with this gold espadrille. It has that square toe, the cap, ankle buckle. They're $19.98. So they have this brown color. I know they also have them in the black. And that's the finished look. And if you're participating in this month's giveaway, make sure you leave the shopping bag emoji. It's a $100 Walmart gift card. As many videos as you can for the rest of June, continuing from the May giveaway. For this next look, I'm going with the crochet top from Free Assembly. This one has that crew neckline, the scallop trim. It's more of a shorter boxy fit. They're $22 in this multicolor, and then also the navy and white stripe. I'm going to pair it with the flare jeans from No Boundaries. So these are high-waisted. They have the rip at the knee, the raw hem, the perfect amount of flare. These are also, I would say, true to size. You could size up if you want them to be a looser at the top. These are $18.98. So they have this light chambray. There's also the darker indigo. And they also have that butterfly print. I did a look with this one, I think, last week. For jewelry, I'm going to go with these gold hoops from Time and Tru. They're $3.88. There's like a flower print. And this gold bangle set is $5.88. My goodness, belly necklaces are back. And I'm going to go with this belt from Time and Tru. It has like all these Western details. And they're $12. I think because of the gold, I'm going to do this brown one instead. It's also $12. For a bag, I'm going with this one from No Boundaries. So this has that snap closure, the little side pocket. It's a wooden top handle. It's the other side. Looks like they're $24.98. And then for shoes, I'm going with these little like platform straw heels. So these have that rounded toe, the braided strap, little ankle strap with that buckle detail. And that's the finished look. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.